Could this be the most important camper van of 2025? After decades of van-based design, Volkswagen has completely reimagined its iconic California with car underpinnings for the first time ever. Today we're taking an exclusive first look at what might be the most significant update in California history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The legendary Volkswagen California has reached cult status among adventure seekers, and this all-new T7 version represents the biggest shift in its 30-year history. Let's dive into what makes this camper van special. The first thing you'll notice is the sleeker, more modern design. While still instantly recognizable as a California, the T7 borrows styling cues from Volkswagen's ID Buzz with its slim headlights and full-width LED light bar. It maintains that boxy, practical shape but with more refined details throughout. Pop the hood and you'll find three powertrain options. The range starts with a 150 horsepower 2-liter diesel that delivers impressive 42 mpg efficiency. Need more punch? The 204 horsepower petrol engine offers livelier performance at the expense of fuel economy. But the real game changer arrived in 2025, a 242 horsepower plug-in hybrid with 4-wheel drive and electric-only capability. That's a California first and perfect for eco-conscious adventurers. Step inside and the revolution continues. The biggest news? Dual sliding doors. Previous Californias only had one sliding door. Now you get access from both sides, creating what Volkswagen calls a 3-zone living concept. It completely transforms how you can set up camp. This dual-door design forced Volkswagen to reimagine the kitchen layout. The cooking area is now more compact but incredibly clever, featuring a slide-out refrigerator drawer, single gas burner, and sink. Yes, there's slightly less storage than before, but the space is used more efficiently. The sleeping arrangements remain excellent with beds for 4 people. The electronically operated pop-top roof now opens more quietly, and both sleeping areas feature improved ventilation. The upper bed has a sprung base for extra comfort, perfect after a day of hiking or biking. Behind the wheel is where the California's new car-based platform truly shines. Built on the same MQB architecture as the Golf and Multivan, it drives dramatically better than its van-based predecessor. The steering is more precise, the ride is smoother, and there's noticeably less body roll in corners. It feels like driving a large SUV rather than a commercial vehicle, a welcome upgrade for those long road trips. The digital cockpit and infotainment system have been modernized with touch interfaces throughout. There are USB-C ports everywhere, dimmable LED lighting, and a dedicated camping control panel that can be accessed via smartphone. The interior ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere when you're settled in for the night. Pricing remains premium. Expect the range to start around £66,000 for the beach camper, rising to £85,000 for a fully loaded ocean model. But Californias hold their value exceptionally well, so the investment makes sense for regular campers. Is it perfect? Not quite. The kitchen and storage areas are slightly smaller than before, and those gorgeous touch interfaces can be finicky sometimes. But these are minor gripes in what is otherwise a revolutionary upgrade. The 2025 Volkswagen California successfully reinvents a camping icon for the modern era. It's more comfortable, more versatile, and better to drive than ever before. For anyone serious about adventure travel with home comforts, this remains the gold standard of camper vans. If you're planning to hit the road in style, this should be at the top of your list. What do you think of the new California? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive first looks at the hottest new vehicles. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.